Welcome. Let's talk about some of the questions from Tribal Studies paper for 2023 examination that were asked. So let's talk about the very first question. This talks about a statement, folklore is a life science. This statement was given by Vasudev Sharan Agarwal. Now Vasudev Sharan Agarwal has a unique contribution of combining folklores with the concept of science, and therefore he talks about folklore as a living science. So talking about the traditional beliefs, customs, and how they are transmitted from one generation to another orally, and the form of knowledge has been important. He has been awarded Sahitya Academy Award in 1956 for his work Padmavat Sanjeevani Vyakhyan, and then he has also served as a professor at Department of Arts and Architecture in BHU. So his contribution in the field of tribal studies is really important. The next is this statement, Triveni, threefold river, song, dance and music, flows in drama, is given by, so the correct answer is Dr. Krishnadev Upadhyay. Now Krishnadev Upadhyay again is a professor from Banaras. So he earned his PhD from BHU focusing on Bhojpuri folklores, and then he served as a professor on specifically working on the preservation of Bhojpuri culture. His works are known as Bhojpuri Lok Sahitya Ka Adhyan, Bhojpuri Lok Geet, and his contribution talks about the concept of Triveni, that is the song, dance and music, and that is these three things, how they flow in the drama. The next is, according to Bakal, how many times Ram term is used in Rig Veda. So according to Balk, only once the term Ram has been used, and that is defined to refer the sacred entity associated with the cosmic order and the strength. The Rigvedic hymns have also talked about or mentioned the word Ram for seeking blessings, for protection and for guidance. Besides this, Rigved also mentioned names of Indra, Agni, Varun, Surya, Som as some of the major gods. The next is Jagat Bhulane Aap Apan Nahi Pehchane. This song line is related to which of the Nagpuri poet? So the correct answer is Sobran. Sobran has done extensive work on Nagpuri language and Nagpuri literature, spoken in the regions of Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Odisha. His poetry talks about the diverse heritage, the traditional stories and the human experiences, and the most important thing is, being a Nagpuri poet, the work is not only confined to the regions of Maharashtra. His work have been appreciated in the regions of Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha. So this line is written by Sobran. The next is, who has written Ram Satyam? Now Ram Satyam is a work which has been attributed to Nabhadas. Nabhadas actually was one of the major saints and a disciple of Swami Agradas. He is one of the major poets of Bhakti movement, and his contribution in the Bhaktmal is important. In the same concept of Bhaktmal, he talked about various saints who spread from the time of Satyug, spreading till the time of Kalyug, and their contribution. So in Ram Satyam, there are two things, that is Ram, the seventh avatar of Lord Vishnu, and Satyam, that actually explains the truth or the devotion or the honesty for attaining the path of righteousness. So those are some of the important things that we have discussed in this session. The complete paper solution for 2024 tribal studies and the previous papers are available at Doorstep Tutor. For more information, kindly visit the links below. Thanks for joining in today.